Hi friends, welcome back to another quick fix video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 10. So it is very simple steps. Let's start the video now. First of all, let's check which browser is the default browser. So right click on the desktop, go to new and shortcut and paste here any link. So this is the default link. Next and finish. This is the web link and the icon is Microsoft Edge browser. How to change its default browser to Google Chrome? First of all, click on Start and search default. So click on default apps so that the web browser is Microsoft Edge. So just click on MS Edge and click on Google Chrome. So default browser has been changed to Google Chrome. You can see the icon is also changed whenever I click it. So it is open in Google Chrome. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.